জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
I know what you were burning inside the room, Jasmine ma'am. So now there is no more hide and seek, isn't it? And now I know what you are. And I'm sure you're also aware that I know everything. And I believe you've realized that I won't let you marry Mr. Dripto Basu as long as I am alive. Is that so? How can somebody smile after committing such a huge crime?
So how will you stop our wedding? The evidence of what you know has been destroyed. Sudha's letter has been destroyed. And anyway, what would it have proved? A husband can bring flowers for her beloved wife every day. What does that prove, man?
You guys are even more evil than I thought, Jasmine.
Deepu, see, this is not right, okay? Why are you supporting Nayan's audacity? All of us came out, but she stayed inside and closed the door behind us. Oof. Those who know her even a bit will understand that she isn't staying here to serve Jasmine. She has some other plan.
Well, Aunt, since when did you start bothering about a maidservant's plan?
Deepu, the maid servant is not important. Your wife is there, for Lord's sake.
Aunt, call her my future wife. We aren't married yet. How did she become my wife? Anyway, let's go. There's a lot of work pending. But why are you after Nayan? Leaving the wedding preparations behind? Come on, come on.
1 minute, Deepu.
What happened, Aunt?
Why am I not able to understand you? What do you want? Tell me the truth.
What do you mean? What will I want? What do you not understand, Aunt?
When the lamp was blown out at the engagement, I tried to throw her out of the house, but you didn't say a word. Now you are saying so much in her support as if we blame her without any reason. Do you know that she broke the Shri of your wedding? Don't you think she did wrong? Now if I say that she did it deliberately out of jealousy towards Jasmine, will that be untrue, you tell me?
What you are doing is wrong, Jasmine ma'am. You are being restless for no reason, thinking whether I will be able to gather evidence or not. Let me tell you one thing clearly. I will gather evidence at any cost. And I'll do that before you and Dripto sir get married. And then please don't run away from the house, Jasmine ma'am. I've heard that all the preparations will start here tomorrow morning. All the wedding rituals, the turmeric ceremony, and if the bride runs away on her wedding day, it will look bad, right, Jasmine ma'am? Am I right?
Why would I run away, Nayan? I won't go anywhere. I also want to say something to you. Hear me out. You will have to get me ready for my wedding. You will take me to the wedding mandap. You will get Dripto and me married. Remember that. You will be desperate to get the evidence. But you won't be able to prove anything. Mark my words.
I won't be able to prove anything. How is she saying this so confidently?
See, Deepu, it is true. If If Nayan had closed the doors and windows on time, the lamp wouldn't have been blown out. Do you know that breaking of the Shri is inauspicious? Lord knows what Nayan is doing in Jasmine's room now. Quickly bring her out of the room for Lord's sake, otherwise Lord knows what will happen and we will have to pay for it.
Just because Nayan is in Jasmine's room, you are so upset, right? All right, let me do one thing. I'll bring her out of the room and take her to mine, okay?
What did you say? No, she will not go to your room. Why will she go to your room? Deepu, listen, please do not joke with me.
How can Jasmine be so sure? I will have to prove it. But will the result of those flowers test come out properly?
What happened? You were being a big mouth. Did you get scared hearing that? You won't be able to prove anything?
Why would I be scared, Jasmine ma'am? How will I save Sir if I get scared? You were already preparing to kill Sir even before getting married. It was me who acted fast and saved him. But it will be difficult to deal with you post-marriage. Sudha had to die because of a mere imported car. If something happens to Sir after the wedding, you will become the owner of all the properties. At least you are not someone who would let go of this opportunity. So I will not let this wedding happen, Jasmine ma'am. You can burn down the letter, but you won't be able to destroy the truth. The truth will win. Lotus is watching everything.
Don't act crazy, Deepu. You don't understand what I'm trying to say.
What's this? Why is Nayan's face so gloomy? What did she say to Jasmine?
Oh Lord, Nayan knows everything. Does she know about our entire plan? From the reason behind Sudha's death to me marrying Dripto for the property, she knows everything. Then she can't be stopped from proving everything. What should I do?
What's going on, Nayan? What do you want to discuss with Jasmine?
How will I tell Tripto what I spoke to Jasmine ma'am about?
Why are you silent? You can't have confidential things to be discussed with Jasmine. If you have any, they need to be discussed with me. Come to my room.
No, why are you asking her to go to your room? She won't go to your room. Whatever you want to say it in front of me.
All right then, let me discuss in front of you all.
Yes.
Nayan, there are obstacles one after another in Jasmine and my wedding rituals. And you are being held responsible for them. So, why are you ruining the holy rituals? Why did you let the lamp be put out at the engagement ceremony?
Did I put out the lamp?
Yeah, that's what everyone's saying. Everyone asked you to close the doors and windows, right? You didn't do that. You were standing startled. Had you closed them at the right time, the lamp wouldn't have been blown out, right?
Couldn't you understand this simple thing, sir? Just like everyone else, you also thought that I let the lamp be blown out. Even if all the doors and windows were closed, the lamp would have been blown out, sir. Because the storm didn't come from outside. It brewed inside the room.
What kind of thing is she saying, Deepu? This girl is so weird. How strange is this? Her words are so twisted and confusing. She's saying the storm initiated inside the room. How is it possible?
It is possible. That thing was as clear as daylight, sir. Couldn't you understand that? Sir, do you think I have the capacity to create a storm inside a room to blow out a lamp? The one who didn't want Father to bless you two on her behalf stood behind you and blew the lamp out, sir.
Hey, the lamp will be blown out. What are you looking at, Nan? Quickly close the doors and windows. Why are you standing there like a statue?
She made it clear that she doesn't approve of this wedding by creating hindrances in the engagement. Didn't you want proof? She gave it to you. But you are very educated, right, sir? You have logic and explanation, but not belief. Maybe that's why you didn't realize the simple thing. You didn't even believe it. My grandfather used to say, faith meets matter far beyond argument. If you could have had a little faith, everything would have been so easy, sir.
What nonsense! Kalpana initiated a storm to ruin the engagement. Why don't you stop talking rubbish? You have been talking nonsense since then, and you're impossible, Deepu. This superstitious villager is saying rubbish things using Kalpana's name, and you are listening to her. How can you do it? I'm going to teach you a lesson. What do you think, Nan? Do you think that you can brainwash Deepu with your nonsense? Tell me. You think that you'll brainwash him and confuse him right away? And I'm going to let it happen in front of my eyes. I'm not going to let this happen. Hey, is anybody here? Is anybody here?
Do you need anything?
There, take this girl away from here. Lock her in a room. Take her away.
Durba, please don't do this. I beg of you, please.
Now you're going to tell me what to do and what not? You'll walk in front of my eyes and do whatever you want. You'll try to break Deepu and Jasmine's wedding, and I'm going to tolerate it all. How can you even think of it? Didn't Tapa brother tell you about me earlier? Perhaps you don't know me. And you know, if someone's name gets enlisted in my bad book, I can't stand that person in my entire life. You are one of them. Watching your activity makes it even worse. I just can't tolerate you. So it's best to lock you in a room. You scared me in the name of police, right? That's why I couldn't kick you out of the house. But don't worry. I know the other ways to punish you. Stay here. Stay locked up in a room. What are you looking at? Take her away. Take her away!
Yes, ma'am. Come with me.
Sir,
Come on.
sir, sir, don't let me be locked in the room, sir. How will I fulfill the promise I made to you? How will I prove it? Sir, please don't let this happen, sir. Please, sir, please. Because the storm didn't come from outside. It brewed inside the room. That thing was as clear as daylight. Couldn't you understand that, sir? The one who didn't want Father to bless you to on her behalf stood behind you and blew the lamp out, sir. She made it clear that she doesn't approve the wedding by creating hindrances in the engagement. Didn't you ask for proof? She proved it.
Don't you dare to talk to Deepu before they get married, okay? You will be the handmaiden of Jasmine, not Deepu. Just remember that, okay? Take her away from here. Take her. Don't let her get out of the room. Do what you are asked to do. Not more than that. Just take her away. Right now.
Sir, there's no bigger proof than what mother wants. She didn't come in front of you, and she cannot. She can only convey her wish through such indications, sir. You have to understand her heart's desire with your heart, sir. Please. Not with intelligence and logic. Try to understand, sir.
Let go.
Leave.
Hey, what happened? Why did you drag her here? What did she do again?
Aunt Durba asked me to lock her.
What? What are you saying? Did she do something again?
Please let me go. I can't be locked in. I have important things
Keep
to
quiet! You don't have to bother about work. Do as much as you will be asked to do.
Yes. I'll do that. But please let me go out now.
I'll let you go so that you can spoil the wedding all over again, right? Listen, Nayan. You can't stop Tripto and Jasmine's wedding in any way. You wanted to touch the moon being a dwarf, right? Now all you can do is daydream and nothing else. Now you cannot do anything, Nayan. Let's go.
Come on, let's go. Listen to me. Listen, please don't lock me up. Please, open the door. Please don't lock me. Open.
Mom, did you come? Please tell me, Mom. Did you cause that storm? Mom, does that mean that Nayan is right? Tell me, Mom. Mom, is Nayan telling the truth? Tell me, Mom. Please tell me. Don't stay quiet. Please tell me.
Please open the door. How do I convince her that I am telling the truth? How will I stop their wedding, Lourdes? How will I explain it to him?
You will be desperate to gather evidence. But you won't be able to prove anything.
Why did Jasmine say that? How did she say with such conviction that I won't get any evidence? It seemed like she was sure about it. Oh, Lourdes, I'm so afraid. I can't figure out what tricks Jasmine and her brother are going to play. But I have to figure it out. I have to gather evidence. If I can't stop this wedding, How will I save Tripta?
Mom, tell me why don't you appear before me? Why do you only appear in Nan's vision? All the confusion will be resolved. Why don't you appear in my vision? But
The one who didn't want father to bless you to on her behalf stood behind you and blew the lamp out, sir. She made it clear that she doesn't approve of the wedding by creating hindrances in the engagement.